So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. So today we are going to do a peach makeup look. I'm gonna make it a real quick and short because I'm only gonna use some products like basic minimal products. And because I don't have much time on my hands, I have only got 10 minutes, so we'll make it a real quick. So we will use only gonna like four or five products. So let's see what we gonna use. I have only like some redness around my face, and I will gonna cover it up and then good to go, I guess, because my hair is also like wet and I need to like done my hair, but before that, just fix with some makeup, and then we'll dress it up, and then we'll see how it is, how it is going, and we can change it if, if we need to change, and if we don't, then it's like good to go. So let's start. Let's start with the video. Let's just start with a quick concealer under my eyes and above as well, and I'm using this is Beauty. This is my favorite, lightweight, easy to carry, easy to apply, easy to spread. There's just a good stuff. So this here, here, here a little, and then we're gonna use fingertips to spread it across the whole length. Let's see. And this above the eyes. So we will cover the eyelids as well, and here with the eye. That is completely like done from my end. And next, 1 second. We're gonna use this eyebrow gel. I'm such in a hurry. Let's do it real quick. Oh, okay. So I don't actually use a lot of eyebrows, pencil or whatever it is. It's just a little set and done. Next I'm gonna use this lip liner. Actually, just leave it, not this, but this one. Dang. Okay. I'm not good with liners. We're gonna use first of all this what is it? What is that one? What is it? Liquid eye liquid eye whatever, a shimmer, eye shimmer, liquid eye shimmer. Got it. So this is from Lakme and in the shade of Quartz 01. I what I do is I just spread on my eyelid using my fingers. Yeah, and there is it. Done. On this side, again using my fingers. I don't know why, but my hands are tickling. Right, we're gonna use the Mars mascara, the double trouble. Hmm. Because I'm not a person who spends a lot of time to remove the makeup. I'm like someone who just used the face wash, double cleansing, and then it need to be I need to be get rid of it. So I just need some product that actually works with the face washes, with the face washes. I'm half done actually. Let's make it full. Let's make it full. So this is Maybelline Maybelline Vinyl Ink. Done. And this is Kiro. Piet. Best for look. I'm not finding anything for blush. So I'm just gonna use my lipstick. Pink one. A little bit here. बिगाड़ लिया ना, but actually मुझे tan look अच्छा लगता है, so a little bit here, here, little bit here. This is done. Like my whole look is almost done. Almost what? पूरा ही हो गया भाई. I think I'm liking my hair like this only. My whole look is done, but I think this is too much. So this is my outfit. I'm ready. बालों का कुछ करे. I don't have time for बालों का कुछ करे. Last thing is perfume.